Alright people, so I am going to film myself making dinner because I want to do a cooking show. So tonight I'm making hot wings and I'm making it up how to do it. So yeah. Okay, so to start off I got a ton of chicken legs and wings. These are actually much larger than what I would have wanted, but Daniel did the shopping so I can't complain. You're gonna need ketchup, garlic, cornstarch, a can of Coke. I like the kind that doesn't have high fructose corn syrup, so I just get the one that, oh sorry, I'm not even filming. I get the one with just cane sugar, and then you can use any hot sauce, but I like Cholula. Okay, so I don't know if you can see what you need to see, but first I'm gonna take I'm gonna do like a bag of chicken thighs and a bag of chicken wings. I guess I'm gonna do them separately. Right here. And I'm going to just throw them into a Ziploc bag. And this is where I'm gonna add in the cornstarch and coat them completely. Okay, now I'm going to add the cornstarch into my bags. I'm also going to add some salt and pepper. You don't need a lot of pepper because you're putting hot sauce, but I just feel like I always need pepper and things. Ooh, whoa. Added way too much into that bag. I don't know like an amount at all, but you want to coat them really well. So add them in, and then I put probably way too much, but you want them all to be coated so that the sauce like catches on. Okay, now that all the garlic is peeled, I'm just gonna slice it. In a pan, I'm gonna just turn on the heat, and I'm just gonna add the smallest bit of oil, just so that I can start, actually, yeah, sauteing the garlic. And this is hard because I'm doing it with my left hand, but I'm just gonna start browning the garlic. Okay, so it's starting to get crispy in a few places. It doesn't have to be fully cooked through because it's going to cook down more. I'm going to add in some of the Coca-Cola. About like half of the bottle. I'm going to turn down the heat just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add in my ketchup. A good amount of that. And then a lot of hot sauce. More hot sauce than you would think you need. So like half of a bottle, I would say. The sauce and kind of thicken it up. So you're basically just going to cook it until it starts to get a little bit thicker. Okay, so this is like more of the consistency you want. It'll keep on getting thicker, but you also lose some volume. So I'm going to start, and by the end it'll probably be the right consistency. But I'm going to start adding some of my chicken in and coating it. Okay, so I just dipped them in the sauce and then I put them on their baking sheet. I added in a little bit more of the Coke, the hot sauce, and the ketchup because it was getting very, very thick and low. Since the sauce is so easy, it's really easy to add in more and just kind of make a little bit more volume. And there's still, you can see, like tons of garlic left. Okay, so they're both coated and I'm going to throw these in the oven. I'm going to put them on for 15 minutes and then check them. Okay, so they're done. So the first time I made this recipe, I did it in a pan and they were super juicy. The second time I did them in my Instant Pot and they were awesome. This time I did them in the oven and they are really dry looking. So we'll see. We're going to eat them with some ranch, but I will update you guys on how they taste. Okay, update. I'm making a little bit of sauce in a pot. In case they're so dry, we need to just pour more sauce over. So, yeah. And my boys are building a rocket that was given to us by the Gods team. So thank you guys so much. We are so excited for this. Felix has been peeking through the windows of it. Hello?
How's it doing?
You want to close? Whoa! You okay? Oh, I look terrible. The chicken was very tasty. So even though it was dry, I added a little extra sauce, and with the ranch, delicious. The inside was not dry at all, just like the very outside. So I've only made this recipe 3 times now. Not a healthy recipe by any means, but if you're craving hot wings and you don't want to go out, I guess. I have some dietary issues, so you can make them for yourself.